The Chow tribe had been experienced a life full of prejudice, discrimination, and cultural inferiority. People tend to neglect these individuals. But do you know the feeling of being neglected, abandoned, craving for love, care, and affection? We surely have seen a bad Chow child asking money from you or from your friends. But have you ever felt pity toward these individuals, knowing that they live a difficult life? Now the challenge is, how can we make a difference?
During Ligan, Bajau have been scattered all over the city. They are from different places who had lived here temporarily for survival purposes. This is the place where Bajau mostly found. Despite the fact of what we had experienced due to their noises in the streets, yet we can't deny the fact that they had experienced a lot of trouble, discrimination, despair, and hunger. And now, let us unravel the behind stories of those people, especially the young ones. Okay, pangalamin mo dong.
Aga Paradji.
Okay. Pila na edad ni mo?
Di ko kailas akong edad.
Pili ka kaila sa imong edad?
Ay gamay pa ko dito.
Asa mo kagapuyo?
Dito. Tambakan por 4.
Dugay na mo dare.
Oh.
Eskwela.
Kapag usap tayo mag-isangikan ka sa basilan sa to?
Itong night dito magpusil ba? Tungod na linet.
Taga-asa di ka? Taga?
Sa Kasambuanga.
Nang ano naabot man mo dire?
Kaya dito man dagad dito magpusil.
Nagsakay mo sa sakyanan.
Oh. Magsa kami bal ko. Di mo sakay sa kiyanan.
Sakay sila na. Mungkin sa mama.
Ha?
Mong mama.
Yung ngalan ng Saida.
Then unsa nag-eskwela karon?
Wala pa.
Nag-unsa ka dira sa market?
Kuwan. Sa kaya ko iso mabaligid sa rating dito.
Ano man? Ha? Ano man?
May pamalit og bugas. Og isda.
Imo day magpapa.
Ha? Wapong kwarta.
During those talks, we were now given some clues to what life they were living. After all, there are few of those people who are asking someone for help to provide their little needs. We are the same human race, so we can help each fellow people. They ask to have food, so we are here to share what we have.
Kami Jordan no?
Sayang!